Hello everyone and welcome to my video. So as you can see on the screen, today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, that is Amazon Prime exclusive discount. First let me give you an overview of the video. So in this video I will be discussing about the four main points. The first one is what are the Amazon Prime exclusive discounts. The second is requirements for adding Prime exclusive discount. After that we will discuss about how to add Prime exclusive discounts, and at the last we will discuss about some key benefits of running Prime exclusive discounts. So let's get jump into it. Let's discuss what are the Prime exclusive discounts. A Prime exclusive discount is a price discount available to the Prime members. Product offered with a Prime exclusive discount will show a discounted price with a regular price crossed out. And Prime exclusive discount are offered to our Prime eligible products or the products having seller fulfilled badge on them, which are basically available to the Prime members as well. And Amazon is giving opportunity sellers like you to set discount to offer your product on a discounted price on a special day like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the main purpose is to run your discount on the Prime Day. And after that, now let's discuss about some requirements that we need to be fulfilled before setting a Prime exclusive discount. The first one is that your product should be Prime eligible for shipping, and after that your product must have at least 3-star rating or no rating on the product, and your product discount must be at least 10% of the non-Prime member non-promotional price, and on the Prime Day the discount should be at least 20% of the non-Prime member non-promotional price, and the Prime exclusive discount price must beat the lowest price for the Essence in the last 90 days by 5%. Now let's discuss how to add the Prime exclusive discount. So in order to add the Prime exclusive discount, inside the Seller Central, go to the Advertising tab and select Prime exclusive discount. After clicking on the Prime exclusive discount, a window like this will appear. Here, before creating the Prime exclusive discount, you have the option to download a template file. You can add discount in two ways, either by adding it manually or uploading a template file. So if you click on the view discount upload template, you will get a spreadsheet and you need to fulfill the data in that file and need to upload after some time after clicking on the create discount button. So let's start how to create a discount. So you need to click on the create discount button, and when you click on the create discount button, it will be the first step of creating Prime exclusive discount. You can see the screenshot. In this, first of all, you need to enter the discount details, and discount detail includes discount name, discount start date, discount end date, and if you are running a discount on Prime Day, the date will be scheduled automatically. That will be the 15th of July. Moreover, if you are setting discount for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, the dates will be set automatically. And after adding this information, you need to click on save and add product, and after that this is the next step. So here either you can add discount manually or you upload the template file that you downloaded earlier. So you can see the two options, enter details and upload file. If you want to add data manually, you can, here are some fields that you need to fulfill for adding a discount. I will discuss the fields one by one. And the first one is SKU. We need to add the product SKU. After that you need to select the discount type. There are three types of discount: percentage of, amount of, and fixed price. You need to click one of them. After that you need to set the price discount, the price you are going to give on your product. And the fourth one is the minimum price. You must be thinking, what is the minimum price? It is the most confusing question for most of the people. So let me clear it for you. It is the price on which you want to give your product. Suppose if you set this price and your discount get below this price, then the discount will get suspended and the buyer is not going to get any discount because the discount get lost toward your minimum price set. And after that, at the last, you need to set the operation that you want to apply on the discount. Either you want to add the discount or you want to edit the discount, what you want. And this is the way you can add your product manually. And there is also option of upload file. You can upload the file that you downloaded earlier. Here is the file that you can download from them. It also contain many fields. You can see the different columns. The column is same as we do in the manual. These are the SKU, discount type, product discount, lowest possible price, and at the last action type. It could be add, edit, or delete. So after adding all this information, the next step is to validate the discount. As you can see the option that you need to upload the file or add the information, and after that you need to validate the product. Here is the button, you can see validate product. You need to click on it, and when you click on it, Amazon validate your product discount and overview. If there any mistake or any error, Amazon will show it. And if there is no error, if it is good to go, then Amazon will ask you to review your discount. Then you can see on the screen that you can review your discount, all the information that you have set. So after reviewing your discount, the final step is to submit the discount. When you click on the submit button, Amazon will submit your discount and it will be live after some time. So at the last, we will discuss about some key benefits of Prime exclusive discount. The first one is marketing. Amazon takes great steps both on and off the site during the special days. And the second one is discoverability. The detail page features the discount available to the shoppers, therefore helping them discover your brand and easy for them to buy your product and to discover your product more easily. And the third one is sales potential. Shoppers are drawn to the discount, and mostly people buy to do the temporary price reductions. So offering special promotions on special days will increase your sales. At the last but not the least, the Prime exclusive discount will also give you the visibility. Product with Prime exclusive discount are shown with a special badge in the search result and the product detail pages that will help them to visible more and more. That's all. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Thank you.